Good morning, it's Teresa here from YesUCan. I just wanted to show you today that I'm going to make a quick ache and pain rub with products from Young Living. I have a friend who's unwell, sort of symptoms like COVID, but she, thank God, hasn't got COVID, but she's got the aches and pains and all that sort of thing. So I thought I'd set her up with an ache and pain rub. So I'm going to make this little bottle into a rub that she can put on all of her sore bits. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Young Living's V6 as a carrier oil, because when you make anything you need with essential oils, you need a carrier oil. Now this one has got coconut oil, sesame seed oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, wheat germ oil, sunflower seed oil, and olive fruit oil. So it's absolutely beautiful for your skin. You can't go wrong with it. And I'm putting into that Panaway. Now Panaway is, as it says, pain. It's like pain away, and that's great for after sports too. So this rub would be a good thing for after sports as well. In it as well, I'm putting Copaiba. Now live videos, Teresa again. Copaiba is a pain reliever. Now this is a really, really magical pain reliever. I find it's very effective. I'm going to put that in too. And just to make it smell better and to help her relax, I'm going to put lavender in. So all I'm doing today is filling this bottle up to here with this, putting 20 drops or 25 drops I will put of the Panaway. I'm going to put 20 drops of Copaiba in it, and I'm going to put 20 drops of lavender. Then I'm going to shake up the bottle. I'm going to put a label on it, a little butterfly on it, and that's going to be my gift to my friend. So this is going to be an ache and pain rub, and I'll put it online for you all. Thank you. Bye.